Hi.
Oh, he's trying to grab another hand. He's trying to get
Oh, he's gonna give it to Sabrina. Yeah, he's Sabrina. He says, "Where you been, man? You didn't even come and see me at the barbershop. I've been waiting for you. I've been giving. Yeah, don't put your face. No, I wouldn't do that because you don't know him." Yeah. He said, "What do you mean? You want to kiss? I don't even know you for a night, and you're already asking me to kiss you." Boy, oh boy, you move rather quickly, lady.
That's hilarious.
Hi, how are you? Hi. No, you know what he's saying? He's saying, "How come I'm not inside there at the music?" That's what he's saying. Huh? Yeah, just to give her mama. Yeah, of course you can. Yeah. Okay, you done your storytelling, Rocky?
Hi, Rocky.
There's Sabrina. There's your girlfriend. Yeah, he says she's been out running around. I haven't even seen her in 3 weeks since she was over last time, and she started hustling me over at the barbershop. You know? Yeah. 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 And then she never came back. I thought she ran off.
Are you handsome? Really? Wow. This way? This you? Put it this way? Oh, like this? I know he told me. Oh, that's cool. Oh, goodness.
You got storytelling, Rocky, eh? Oh, yeah. He's a good storyteller. Rocky's a good storyteller.
Hi, Rocky.
He's been telling good stories today.
See, Marcus?
Hi. Oh, giving her the little. Oh.
He's barking. He's barking for you.
He sounds like a dog.
I have you on video, Bessie.